The Message Students Who feature in Canvas is an excellent way to enhance communication with your students. In just a few moments, you can send each of your students an individualized message based on their performance on a particular assignment. To get started, go to Grades, choose any assignment. I'll pick Test 2, and when I bring my cursor over that assignment, these three dots appear. When I click there, Message Students Who will appear in that drop-down menu. Within the Message Students Who window, I have 4 options. Message students who haven't submitted yet, who haven't been graded yet, who scored less than the amount of my choice, and who scored more than the amount of my choice. Within each of those options, all of the students that meet that criteria will automatically populate. So students who haven't submitted yet, my 3 students that have not yet submitted will automatically appear. From here, I can send each of them a message and it will go to their inboxes in Canvas individually. So a sample message would be, I just wanted to check on you because I have not yet received your test and the deadline is approaching. Please let me know if you have any questions or need any help. When I send that, each of those 3 students will receive that message and they won't know the other students received it too. If I go to Message Students Who scored less than, I can enter any amount I choose. This particular assignment was out of 10, so I'll say out of 9. So every student that scored less than 9 is now appearing. And from here, I can send them a message to let them know to review my feedback. Here's a sample message. Thank you for submitting your test. Please review my feedback and let me know if there's anything I can clarify or help you with. I like to change the title here just so it doesn't seem so generic. So maybe questions? And now each of those 3 students will receive this message individually. If I go to Message Students Who scored more than a certain amount, maybe scored more than 9, I'm just going to compliment that student. They earned 100%. So yeah, great job. Awesome work. And now that student will receive my message individually. The last option in Message Students Who is the students who have not yet been graded. I don't use this option very often because it also includes the students who haven't submitted. But if I was wanting my students to know that I received their submission and that I would be grading their work tomorrow, this would be the option I would use.